After finally getting tired of dealing with my cat's hair when cleaning my home, I started an extensive research for a top-tier vacuum at a reasonable price. It didn't take long and I eventually got familiar with the Dyson brand. Oddly, that happened because of an Instagram post of Andres Vidoza using the V15 model. Realizing such a model would be overkill, I wandered between the V10 and V11 Absolute. For a moment, I also entertained the idea of opting for the Samsung Jet 19, which offers many attachments and a purifying container. Based on what I learned, however, all directions pointed at Dyson, especially at this price point and for people with pets. Doubting between the mentioned models, I eventually stumbled on the V12 Slim Detect Absolute. And based on my research, that was the sweet spot I looked for, as it combined features from the V15 and V12 models, the most important being suction power. Order and price. Having a considerable discount, the vacuum costed around 700 euros. Typically, the V12 Slim Detect Absolute goes for about 1000 euros on Amazon. Luckily, mine came in about 2 days, so there was no hassle or delay. Box. The vacuum came in an external box, including order documentation and warranty. It felt a bit heavy due to the attachments it comes with. As long as I know, 3 of those are considered additional. Inside the shipping box, there's the actual box with branding and logos. Inside that one there's the vacuum, a power charger, a battery and all the attachments. Attachments. The V12 Slim Detect Absolute comes with a standard floor attachment, another with laser detection helping you notice hair, dust and tiny particles, one suitable for sofas, chairs and cars, and a more typical long one for corners and angles. The first and second of these attachments have anti-tangle screws, crucial for pets and other hair. There's also a combined soft brush for surfaces you want to avoid scratching. I plan to use that one for all my gear and even Mac, but we'll see about that. Vacuum. The power button is the first I appreciate when getting the vacuum in my hand. Unlike other models having a trigger button, this one allows for continuous power, which is awesome, as I'm not used to anything else. The back of the vacuum has a display. This lets you know how much runtime you have left and the particles you sucked in. According to Dyson, that is a scientific proof of a deep clean. Like other Dyson models, the V12 Slim Detect Absolute can switch between 3 modes based on the surface and space you're cleaning. This allows to utilize the battery power most efficiently. Given that, it is impressive how much tech is put in this vacuum. First impressions. Holding the vacuum in my hand, it screams quality. Everything looks and feels super premium, and cleaning seems to be comfortable and pretty much effortless. Truth be told, I have never been excited about the vacuum or any other home device that much. I'm also eager to clean the house more than ever, but these are just my first impressions. Let me know what yours were after opening your first Dyson vacuum. Also, the model you're currently using. Soon I'll make a 1 month of personal experience video to let you know whether the V12 Slim Detect Absolute meets my expectations and lives up to the hype. Otherwise, like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more content like this, check my other works and books, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for your time.